What's going on, Boxed family? Welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you all again. Just wanted to pop in, give a little thought, a little bit of update into Boxed. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. Looking at Boxed, I really was hoping that it would get that 250 on Friday. It was probably wishful thinking. We knew that the market makers weren't going to allow that to happen, not with having those calls in the money. So what that does give me is a little bit of hope for Monday. Now that they're off the table until about a month out, we're going to see, I think, what's really going to happen with Boxed. Is it going to be able to make its move up there and get a little bit of strength? Actually, I think it looks really good overall. We're seeing these pump days. We get one day a pump and then like 3 days of pullback, a day of pump, and then we got two. Let's see if we get a third day of pullback. Let's see if that kind of trend's gonna continue. I don't think it's gonna be that predictable. That would be a little absurd. We're seeing breakouts and breakdowns all over the place, but it is holding a very nice base still so far. So we were wondering where that base was going to be created. Yesterday it looked like it was $1.73, which is still higher than the last time we went through this stuff. So let's see if it can continue to hold that into after hours, into pre-market. We have a weekly tested trend line that's coming up here, so I'm going to kind of be watching to see if it wants to open up in that $1.80 range or even higher, or if we're just going to trend in this here channel. What we're going to do, I don't know exactly what we're going to do, but so far everything looks kind of good to me. I mean, this was Friday afternoon, so what happens on Fridays? Profit taking happens on Fridays. So there it is, going into the later half of the day, to expect it to really run and get that push if everybody on the big money side wasn't pushing to try to get those calls in the money. And being this far away, I guess come Friday, was it really worth it? Were they really worthwhile? So no, I mean, unless they really got that thing above $2.50, what would be the point in having those $2.50 strikes come in the money and to be able to exercise them? Guess it didn't make a whole lot of sense as time went on and it approached. So let's see what the next round holds for us. But as of right now, I do like what I'm seeing. You guys know I'm all about momentum trading, so this is a very nice playground as of right now. So if you're sitting there saying $10, $15 gap fill, $5, you've had plenty of opportunities, and I'm not a whale. I highly doubt you're a whale if you're coming here watching my YouTube video. Your money, your play, your stock is not affecting anything that's going on here. So you're worried about your accounts and your money and how you want to achieve that. If your trading plan is to buy and hold, by all means go ahead and do that. If you are a momentum or day or swing trader, this is the playground. We got that volatility. We got a lot of chances that are coming in to really make money. My last purchase was at $1.73. I had my order set and it finally got filled. It kept like tapping, and so now, yep, that's where I'm sitting right now. I'm gonna see what happens. So you guys know I'm not a buy and holder. I am not a diamond hand channel. That's not why you're here. If you are in this to momentum trade, you have had plenty of opportunities to really watch something that trends pretty respectably so far. I mean, we're starting to learn where these bases are. We're starting to learn where the resistant levels are. Always have a trading plan, always have stop losses set so that the trade does not go too far against you. It does want to make some big moves at times, and that would just absolutely destroy you if you are momentum trading this thing. You do not want to get destroyed. This makes you bag holder for a couple days, and if you can't use your money for a couple of days, it's no fun. The stock market's no fun. Then you become a spectator. You're no longer a trader. You're just watching. And if you're making money in the markets, you don't want to be a spectator. You don't want to watch. You want to be actively trading, making that money. So as long as we got some volatility and some movement going on here, might as well take advantage of it if you can. It's at the very least small portion. Learn to be a trader, not a holder on everything, not a diamond hander on everything. Learn to be a trader. I don't care if you're playing with one share, just play with one share and learn how to momentum trade, day trade, swing trade, whatever you want to do. It's cheap enough. You throw $2 out there and you're playing with one stinking share. Who cares? That's minimal. Just it's a good way to practice, get your water wings going or whatever you want to do. So far it's been a good one for that, but I do like everything that I'm seeing. You know, we're getting the higher lows, so let's see where it goes. Better base to jump off of, room to run. We don't have to worry about the options chain for quite a while, so maybe we won't see quite as much manipulation. Or I don't even know if it's being manipulated, you know, it could be, but I think we're just seeing some nice price discovery. Let's see where it wants to get comfortable, where it wants to trade at. I still have a lot of interest here, and I think it looks strong and healthy overall. But like I said, don't ever get caught off guard. That's why you have a trading plan. That's why you have stop losses in place, so that you don't get caught off guard. I do like the news that came out where they had an addition to the board with one of their MOU partners. So gives us a little bit more strength there with that MOU. You know, we know that there's no firm commitment, but it is an understanding, and whenever we see that partnership going to the board, well, just makes us have a little bit more confidence there, and be able to have a nice agreement with another company. So looks good to me, all in all. I mean, I don't have any complaints. I'm just going to be watching to see how this thing opens up come Monday morning, and I was a little sad that the 250s didn't get in the money, but it doesn't mean that it's the end of the world. So we're just kind of watching and waiting, seeing what happens. Good to see you all back. Enjoy the weekend, guys. Thank you so much for watching another video. If you don't mind, drop a like. You can always subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the updates. I will catch you in the next one. As always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.